Hi viewers, in this video we are giving you some tips and tricks for how to pass engineering chemistry or how to score good marks in the university examination or internal exams. Keep watching. So concentrate on the units with important questions. Go through previous year questions papers and select repeated questions, so practice on them. So repeated important questions, so practice important formulas and diagrams for that particular important questions. So that important questions, so present neatly with the concept and keys, important keys. So now I will give you some important questions for engineering chemistry unit wise. So unit 1 to 5. So unit 1 water technology. What are the important questions? So boiler troubles. So boiler troubles, scale and sludge, priming, foaming, caustic, embrittlement, boiler corrosion. These are the boiler troubles. So how it is forming, what are the sources and prevention method. This you have tried. These are the part B questions. Then internal treatment of water. Then external treatment, ion exchange process, zeolite process. Then reverse osmosis. So all the questions you have to write neatly. What is the definition, then formulas, then diagrams, then advantages, disadvantages. This is a unit 1 water technology, important questions. Then unit 2 surface chemistry and catalysis. So surface chemistry, catalysis, adsorption of gases on solids, adsorption isotherm types, then Langmuir adsorption isotherm, so Michaelis-Menten equation. These are the questions are very important for the unit 2. Unit 3 phase rule and alloys. The phase rule, so alloys, heat treatment of steels and significance. Then one component system water system, two component system lead silver system, then thermal analysis. So practice on the important questions with work out with the formula for phase rule, degree of freedom, then draw the neat diagram using pencil. So you have to practice on it. It is a very important questions for unit 3. Then unit 4, so fuels and combustion. So fuels and combustion, so very important questions. Analysis of coal. The analysis of coal, there are two types, ultimate analysis and proximate analysis. So practice on it for exert formula and its significance. Then carbonization of coal. There is some best method for Otto-Hoffmann byproduct method. It is very important. Then Bergius process. This is hydrogenation of coal. Bergius process. Then flue gas analysis. There is Orsat method. So all there the questions are very important. You have to practice with a neat diagram and formulas, important keywords. These are the very important for the unit 4. Then unit 5, the unit 5 energy sources and storage devices. So what are the important questions of part B? So difference between nuclear fission and fusion and light water nuclear power plant or nuclear reactor. Explain the parts of detailed in the nuclear reactor. Then solar energy and wind energy, lead acid battery, lithium battery, lithium ion battery, then fuel cells. These are the questions are the very important for the unit 5. So you have to practice repeatedly through the internal exam, then final exam. So these are the very important questions. These all the 5 units important questions are repeated questions will be covered. So you have to practice on it more. So you have to get good marks and or you have to pass at least. So these are the important questions. So you have to practice on it. So thank you for watching. Subscribe the channel and press the bell button for the next repeated videos.